Nice solid. See the, oh, it's a snake. This girl crazy. Drop it through the, drop it through there. Drop it through. Why you getting out? Yeah, I missed a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. We are at Baldface Rock, and voila. Alright, y'all, if you're familiar with our content, you know typically when we travel, something interesting always happens. And it don't be me, I'm just saying. So, what? Why you why you bleeding, man?
This drone cut my finger, bro.
Please check it out.
Dang, I think I caught it. I don't know if I caught the footage, but whew, Lord have mercy, can't take them nowhere.
I'm good, I'll lick it.
Alright, we've officially hit golden hour. Sunset's coming. We're chilling. Jets want to go down bad. There we go. Alright, Jet, you ready to go down? Alright, let's do it.
Let's go marching one by one.
Be quiet.
You're running down the mountain. Slow down, man.
If you can't break through,
Fake falls.
I see a bear. I'm running as fast as possible.
Go. Whoa! You alright? You okay? Slow down. There's Tweet coming down the mountain right there to show you how steep it is. It's steep, but it ain't steep. I know that sounds crazy. It's gonna be a rough little walk up, but right here is relatively flat. Like you can walk down pretty easily, as long as you're in decent shape. And then right there, that's where the majority of people stop and look around and everything like that. So as you can see, there's plenty of face right there. So you ain't just gonna fly down the cliff or nothing crazy. But you get too steep, you will get the rolling, and it will be a long day for you. I'm right there. You can't tell he don't love this little mountain. You like it, J-Bo? He gone. He an explorer.
If there's a bear, then
There's no graffiti, but clearly folks ain't really abiding by that. But this rock's been here for a minute, so all kind of art, all kind of stuff, notes, all kind of interesting history going on out here on this rock. You know, this little part got to calling on Jesus, but the crazy thing is, look, we got way further to go.
Can I get on your bed?
I'm too slow.
Uh-oh.
I need to walk like an animal.
Wow.
Bro, no. No, I'm not doing it.
So as crazy as it sounds, hopefully we can get to our car easily. Now you would think the way we came out here, it's a rock. The road is clearly right there. Maybe because it was dark, but we came out here, it was dark one time. Bruh, it took us a good 15, 20 minutes to find a car. No lie. I know y'all be like, man, y'all slow. I'm telling you, at night it's different. All this start blending in. You're like, darn, where the is it at? But I think we got it this time, leaving at the right time today. You know, I'm the adventurer. So I'm out here, hopefully not about to fall in this water. We chilling. We got it. We got it. I got this, girl. I got this. Oh. Oh. Hold your brother's hand, Jack. What?
Told you I'll be okay.
Ooh.
Hey, Daddy. Mommy, this water is pink.
Darn, boy, you getting real with, boy. Wild kids right there. Rolled up pants looking like Huckleberry Finn or something. A little waterfall action. Another little section right above the section we were just at. Right there. Beautiful out here, man. Oh, he's trying to jump in the deep water. Whoa!
That part is so deep. I'm telling you.
He ain't scared. He's testing it out. Tell him.
Yeah, test it out, baby. This part is so deep.
Look at that boy. Look at that boy enjoying the peace and tranquility. There you go. Oh, wait a minute now. It's always good to be out here in nature, serenity, especially when you have the opportunity, when the weather feels good, man. Look at that, beautiful, gorgeous, man. You can't pay for that. You can't pay for stuff like that, man. No electronics, besides the one I'm holding, but no electronics, attention-wise, we ain't focusing on it, you know what I mean? We just out here chilling, vibing, enjoying nature and everything. Get a little dark, get a little dark. I ain't messing with no, you know what I'm saying? Ain't trying to mess with no bears out here, but meantime, we chilling, enjoying it, you know what I'm saying? Nice weather, nice weather. Spring is here, summer's on the way. You gotta enjoy that time outside, man. A lot of us, including me, work online, work on the computer, doing digital stuff and everything. Looking at a lot of screens, so it's good to kind of get outside and detach from that, let your eyes rest, get some nature in them, vitamin D. Let your soul get some peace, some rest, you know what I'm saying? From doing this, social media, all that kind of stuff. So good to have the family out here just cooling, having a good time, chilling. Come up here to the top part. You can sit right above the waterfall if you want to. A little dangerous, so you got to be careful right here. You can come right here and vibe out. You know what I'm saying? Nice solid. See the, oh! It's a snake! Yeah! I probably shouldn't be following my brother. I ain't mean to scare you, my nature brethren. But yeah, my baby's out here with their toes out, so you gotta be safe. Getting dark, can't see him as clear, so time to roll. But yeah, you peaceful, sit. You in nature, so it's real, as you just saw. Keep your eyes open, keep it peeled. Look, mama ain't having it. She heard snake, she said, no sir. She said, no sir, you tweaking. But yeah, man, it's still nice, peaceful. Black snake, it didn't have no colors on it, so not a dangerous snake. But anyway, thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe. Go outside and enjoy some nature. Be careful, as you just saw. Nature's everywhere, doing its thing, being natural. But don't be no punk. Go outside, have a good time. Peace.